Okay, let's take a look at 7912 Sugar Pine Boulevard. This is in Northwest Lakeland. This home is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, a little over 1,700 square feet, and it's got a beautiful pool in the back too. So we want to give you an idea of a slower walkthrough on this home. So when you first walk in, you've got some nice ceramic tile flooring. It's got a nice open design, high ceilings. Let's come back to that in just a second. But when you first walk in, there's a separate dining area, some nice natural light. There's even an area if you want to look into the kitchen or get handed something if you're having dinner here. So it's really a triple bedroom split plan, if you will. The master's here. There's another bedroom this way. And then to the right is 2 bedroom and 1 bath. So it's very spread out. So let's back up. Let's go to the left. And they're moving out. Almost everything is out. A few little pieces of furniture left. But there's tray ceilings. Nice sized bedroom. It has double sinks. Ceramic tile flooring. And this is a deluxe master bath because it has a tub and a shower. So you can see the shower is straight ahead. It's a walk-in shower. And then you have the tub area with the obscure glass for privacy. All right, backing up here, toilet area, and then a walk-in closet. All right, so let's head over here to the kitchen. It's got a really big island. Plenty of cabinet space, lots of cabinets, lots of nice counter space all along here. Even some shelving if you want to put something on the top. It's got cathedral ceilings. Appliances are really nice. They're stainless steel. It's a Samsung built-in microwave. It does have the stainless steel dishwasher too. And then again, you've got this island. It's got outlets on both sides. For something to plug in, a crock pot or a mixer or what have you. Big open room. I'm going to show you that pool in just a second. Let's stay going left in this home for this back bedroom. It's overlooking the fenced backyard. There's your closet area. Then over to the right-hand side of the home, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, washer, dryer. Now this is kind of unique because this is like a pool bath. It does have a tub shower combination. So it goes out to the pool area, which I'm going to show you that in just a minute. This is our tub shower combination. So you can kind of see that. All right. It does have a 2-car garage. So that's out the door straight ahead. Some shelving here. There's a linen closet to the right and the other 2 bedrooms this way. All right, let's get a little furniture in it and then your closet to the left. So let's keep on going and walk to the back section. Here's where, if you're in Florida, you gotta have something like this. This is really nice. Love this outdoor area. French doors, heading out to the back. Take a look at this pool. Fun-filled fact, what does the size of the pool, the shape of the pool, it represents a state. It looks like a state. You tell me. I don't know if I'm the only one who saw that when I first looked at this pool. It's right next to Texas. Little bonus material. Okay, all right, anyways, PVC fencing. What's really nice about this, let me just walk you over here, there's like a retention area in back, so it's very private, very quiet. Lots of deck space for your pool chairs and lounge chairs. Again, completely fenced. The roof is less than a year old. And here's the cool thing about this pool, and then we're gonna go inside and wrap up. This pool is nice because you can come out here and soak, hang out, have fun. But the owner told me the other thing about this pool, which again, very unique, and I really love the concept, is it's a lap pool. You swim laps right here. So well designed. It's a really nice home. So I hope you've enjoyed this tour. This is in the Grand Pines community over off West Campbell Road in Northwest Lakeland. Publix is less than 5 minutes away. A lot of new activity, lots of building, lots of growth over here. Really nice part of town. Close to I-4 and all the shopping. So if you'd like to know more about this house or take a tour, give me a call, 863-647-8600. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. If you like videos like this, do me a favor. If you would like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Even click the notifications button. Whenever I drop more videos like this, you'll get notified so you can check them out.